Hi guys, this is a new video for our YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you 25 words and phrases that will make you speak like natives. So let's start with the casual greetings and expressions. Na. So, what's up? Na. So, what's up? Kein Ding. No problem. Kein Ding. No problem. Lass uns chillen. Let's chill. Lass uns chillen. Let's chill. Macht's gut. Take care. Macht's gut. Take care. Echt jetzt? Seriously? Echt jetzt? Seriously? Reactions and slang. Geht klar. Alright, sounds good. Geht klar. Sounds good. Alright. Krass. Awesome. Crazy. Krass. Awesome. Crazy. Alles easy. Everything is cool. Alles easy. Everything is cool. Dein Ernst. You can't be serious. Dein Ernst. You cannot be serious. Läufst bei dir. You are doing great. Good for you. Läufst bei dir. You are doing great. Well done, good for you. Casual expressions. Bock haben auf etwas. To be up for something. Bock haben. To be up for something. Passt schon. Don't worry, it's okay. Passt schon. It's fine, don't worry about it. Ist mir egal. I don't care. Ist mir egal. I don't care. Hau rein. Take care. See ya. Hau rein. Take care. See you soon. Komm schon. Hurry up. Come on. Komm schon. Hurry up. Let's go. Come on. More casual expressions and slang. Mahlzeit. Enjoy your meal. Mahlzeit. Enjoy your meal. Also used as a casual greeting at lunchtime. Dumme Gans. Silly goose. You can call someone if he's doing something stupid. Dumme Gans. Silly goose. Hau rein. Dig in. Go for it. Hau rein. Go for it. Let's do it. Schwamm drüber. Let's forget about it. Schwamm drüber. Let's forget about it. Ich habe die Nase voll. I have had enough. Ich habe die Nase voll. I have had enough. Klar doch. Of course. Sure. Klar doch. Of course. Sure. Schon gut. It's okay. Never mind. Schon gut. Never mind. It's okay. Auf jeden Fall. Definitely. For sure. Auf jeden Fall. Definitely. For sure. Nicht mein Ding. It's not my thing. Nicht mein Ding. Not my thing. Daumen drücken. Fingers crossed. Daumen drücken. Fingers crossed. Danke schön,